Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss the functions VSEQs. This is the third video on functions VSEQs episode. So first, let us have a discussion. The first question: if capital A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and f is defining from A to B is a function defined by f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, then find the range of f. Whenever f is defining from A to B, then f of A equal to B. That means the range of the function equal to codomain. So given f from A to B is a function defined by f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 and A equal to domain, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. They are asking to calculate range of the function. The range of the function equal to codomain. The range of f of x. Range of f which is equal to f of A which is equal to B. F of A means f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4. Now one by one you can calculate and substitute these values here. So first f of 1. In place of x substitute 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. Next f of 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 3 which is equal to 1. Next f of 3. 3 square 9 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. 10 minus 3 7. 7 by 4. F of 4. 4 square 16 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. 16 minus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 5. Therefore, the range of the function f of x equal to f of 1 is 1 by 2, f of 2 1, f of 3 7 by 4 and 13 by 5. Therefore, the range of the given function f of x is 1 by 2, 1, 7 by 4 and 13 by 4, 5. The next question, this is also a problem related to range. If capital A equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and f is defining from A to B is a surjection defined by f of x equal to cos x, then find B. F is defining from A to B. A means domain, B is codomain. They are asking to calculate codomain. Codomain means what? The range of the function. So now first given A equal to capital A equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. And f is defining from A to B is onto. Onto means surjection. Is a surjection and defined by f of x is equal to cos x. They are asking to calculate, then find B. Therefore, B equal to the range of f of x. The range of f of x that is equal to f of A, which is also equal to f of A means the set A contains these are the elements. So f of 0, f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, f of pi by 3 and f of pi by 2. So which is equal to f of 0, x is equal to 0, substitute cos 0, cos pi by 6, cos pi by 4, cos pi by 3, cos pi by 2. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 6, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. Therefore, the range of the given function f of x equal to f of a equal to b, that is 1 comma root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 comma 0. Here the next question, same type of question, but the set is different. If a equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and f is defining from a to b is a surjection defined by f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. Similar procedure we have to calculate, like f of a equal to b we are going to calculate. Given a equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. F from a to b is a surjection defined by f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So b equal to the range of f of x, f of a equal to f of minus 2, f of minus 1, f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2. So one by one we will calculate and then substitute here. F of minus 2. So wherever x is there, you have to replace with minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. 4 minus 2 plus 1. F of minus 1. Minus 1 square. Minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 1. F of 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. F of 1. 1 square plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. F of 2. 2 square plus 2 plus 1, 7. Now these values substitute here. F of minus 2 is 3. F of minus 1 is 1. F of 0 is 1. F of 1 is equal to 3 and f of 2 equal to 7. We know that in set theory, repetition is not allowed. Here 3 is repeating and 1 is also repeating. So we can write instead of twice, only once. So 1 comma 3 comma 7. Therefore, the range of f of x or b equal to f of a, 1 comma 3 comma 7. The next question, if f of x equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1, then find f circle f of x, f circle f of x. Here the number of functions are odd, here the number of functions are even. So one by one we will discuss. So first one, given f of x equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. After that, f of consider f circle of x. This can be written as f of x. So the total number of functions are here 3. First, you have to write f of x value here. F of what is f of x? X plus 1 by x minus 1. So f of x plus 1 by x minus 1. That means wherever x is there, you have to replace with x plus 1 by x minus 1. f of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to f of, take LCM for the numerator, x minus 1, x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, x plus 1 minus of x plus 1, x minus 1, minus x plus 1. So x minus 1 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus x plus x get cancelled, which is equal to f of x plus x is 2x divided by, here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 get cancelled, which is equal to f of x. So the value of f circle f of x is equal to f of x. You remember that it is a standard result and blind notation. Whenever the number of functions are odd, the given function f of x only will come. If it is number of functions is even, then the value will become as x. That also I am going to prove that. So therefore, f circle f of x is equal to f of x. The first question completed. Come to the second question, which is equal to f of x, which is equal to f of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, which is equal to f of x plus 1 by x plus 1, x minus 1. Wherever x is there, you have to replace with x plus 1 by x minus 1. Similar way, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to f of take LCM for the numerator, x minus 1. So x plus 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 is the LCM here, x plus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1 minus x plus 1. So here x minus 1 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus x plus x get cancelled. So f of x plus x is 2x divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 get cancelled. F of x. What is f of x again? Which is equal to f of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Again f of x plus 1 by f of x minus 1. Whenever x is there, you have to replace with this value, which is equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1. Now take LCM here, x minus 1, x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is the LCM. So x plus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1 is minus x plus 1, x minus 1 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus x plus get cancelled, x plus x is 2x divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 get cancelled, which is equal to x. Therefore, conclusion step, f circle f of x. Here the number of functions are 4, no? Even. Whenever the number of functions are even, you will get x. The number of functions are odd, you will get f of x. When the function is in the form of x plus 1 by x minus 1 only. So, hence the result. The next question. If f of x equal to 1 by x, g of x equal to root x for all x belongs to open interval of 0 to infinity, then find g circle f of x. So first step, given f of x equal to 1 by x and g of x equal to root x. After that, they are asked you to calculate G circle f. So G circle f of x is equal to G of f of x, which is equal to G of f of x. What is f of x here? 1 by x. G of 1 by x. What is G of x? Root x. G of 1 by x means 1 by root x. Therefore, G circle f of x equal to 1 by root x. The next question. Among these three questions, they may chances to ask all the three questions for 7 marks or any 2 questions for 4 marks. Like this, they may chances to ask. Now the question, if f is defining from R to R, G is defining from R to R, defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 2, G of x equal to x square plus 1, then find G circle f inverse of 2, G circle f of x minus 1, f circle G of 2. See here, G circle f inverse of 2. So that means first you have to calculate the inverse of the given function. First you have to write first step given functions. Given that f from R to R, G from R to R, defined by the functions f of x equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x equal to x square plus 1. First you have to calculate G circle f inverse of 2 means g of f inverse of 2. So to get f inverse of 2, we need to calculate f inverse of x. So let y is equal to f of x. That implies that is equal to f of x is equal to what here? 3x minus 2. You put that equation number 1. Y is equal to, so from this first y is equal to 3x minus 2, x make as a subject. That implies that y plus 2 equal to 3x. That implies y plus 2 divided by 3 equal to x. You put that equation number 2. Y is equal to f of x. Then x is equal to f inverse of y. Equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, both x values are equal, means these two are equal only, no? Therefore, from 2 and 3, f inverse of y equal to y plus 2 divided by 3. That is, if we want f inverse of x, no? So f inverse of x is equal to x plus 2 divided by 3. This is inverse of the given function. Now come to the first question in this. G circle f inverse of 2. That means, by definition of composite function, g of f inverse of 2, which is equal to g of f inverse of 2. In place of x, substitute 2. So f inverse of 2 means 2 plus 2 divided by 3, which is equal to g of 4 by 3. What is g of 4 by 3? G of x is equal to x square plus 1. So in place of x, substitute 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 whole square plus 1. Since g of x is equal to x square plus 1. So now 16 by 9 plus 1. 16 plus 9 divided by 9 is 25 by 9. This is G circle f inverse of 2. We'll move to the 2 questions. the next two questions in this. Second one, G circle f of x minus 1. That means G of, by definition of composite function, G of f of x minus 1, which is equal to G of f of x is 3x minus 2. F of x minus 1, wherever x is there here, x minus 1 you have to replace. 3 into x minus 1 minus 2. So, G of 3x minus 3 minus 2. G of 3x minus 5. What is G of x? X square plus 1. So, wherever x is there, 3x minus 5 you have to write it. So, 3x minus 5 whole square plus 1, which is equal to 9x square plus 25 minus 30x plus 1, which is equal to 9x square minus 30x plus 26, which is the value of G circle f of x minus 1. Come to the third question. F circle G of 2. F circle G of 2. So f of G of 2. F of G of 2. G of x equal to x square plus 1. G of 2 means 2 square plus 1. Wherever x is there, replacing with 2. So f of 2 square plus 1. 2 square 4 plus 1. F of 5. F of 5. What is f of x? F of x is 3x minus 2. So f of y is 3 into 5 minus 2. 15 minus 2, which is equal to 13. Therefore, f circle G of 2 equal to 13. Hence the result. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. In the next video, the functions with examples is very important for not only for intermediate but also for JEE, EAMCET. The questions we will discuss as a VSQs. Thank you all.